So today I'm in St. Pete and I wanted to show you guys my favorite spot to go for like an afternoon walk on the weekends when I'm just trying to unwind and relax. It's Vinoy Park, it's right on the water, it's right in downtown. So you can head from Beach Drive, you can, you know, grab a bite to eat or drinks and then head over there. And you also actually pass the Vinoy Hotel, which is pretty cool too. But so let's go for a stroll and see what it's all about. So you'll see a lot of people that come with like hammocks or they'll bring their dog. Definitely a big popular path for jogging because you can jog all the way up and down. And then actually down at the end they also have volleyball courts, which is a lot of fun. So, and then a lot of times people will just be sitting on the ledge, you know, watching the water and the pier over there. So it's just super nice, super relaxing, and a lot of really nice shade. Or if you want to do a picnic, good spot for that too. But definitely my little quiet getaway walk spot for sure in St. Pete.